Hello everyone, my name is Max Kavanaugh. We're here at MarineMax Rogers and we're looking at this beautiful 2023 Harris 230 Sunliner. We're starting off on the exterior, and up in the front here you're going to notice these nice stainless steel pop-up cleats. You have the docking lights here with your navigation lights. This is a tri-tune, so it handles really well. Now the exterior color is this nice black metal flake. In the sunlight it does sparkle a little bit. You have a nice matte black accent on top, so it just ties in really well. You'll also have a nice Harris logo here that really pops against this black. Looks sharp. You have a side door entryway right here. As we move back and we look up, you're going to have this nice big bimini top that expands and gives you lots of shade. Sunliner 230 logo back here. Again, more stainless steel pop-up cleats. We have 4 in total on this boat. In the back, you have the extended swim platform, which allows to have this nice safety railing back here. So that allows you to have more square footage on this boat when it's moving. You can sit back here, have your kids look back at the motor, which is kind of cool. I know when I was a young kid, I liked that. Just to see the motor and how it operates and all that fun stuff. You have a nice big stainless steel ski tow bar. You can put your tow ropes right up on top. So wakeboarders, skiers, and tubers, makes it really easy, keeps the rope away from the prop. Now this also has a Mercury 4-stroke, 150 on it, so plenty of power to have some fun. As we move around to this side here, you have this nice ladder, and the steps are very wide. So I know stepping out of the water, it's nice to have wide steps, so it doesn't put a lot of pressure on the bottom of your foot, which is really nice. Well thought out, well designed. That was the exterior. Let's go take a peek at this interior. All right, we've made our way into the interior of this 230 Sunliner. And we're gonna start up in the bow. We'll move our way back then to the rear of the boat. But starting up in the bow, you have so much space up here. You have these nice dropped down armrests in this 230 Sunliner. And you'll see just all the details, all the stitching here. You have the pillow top furniture, which is super plush. It feels really nice on your back, a lot of support. All of the seats too will have hinges, so you can open up the seats just like so, and you have nice storage underneath all of the seats. So that's universal throughout the entire boat. You will have a nice big ski locker in the floor here. As you open this up, because this is a tri-tune, you have that nice storage in there. You'll have nice storage underneath the helm here with access through this door here. And looking at the helm itself, just nicely laid out here. Up on this little cubby tray here, you have a wireless phone charger. You can also put your keys, maybe your wallet here as well. You will have a SIM-rad. This Sunliner is optioned out with a SIM-rad, so you have nice information from charts to engine information when you're on the water, which is, I think, very vital. You do have a JL Audio head unit here to control all of the speakers from AM to FM to Bluetooth. Bluetooth is by far really easy to connect to and what most people use. You have your physical switches off to your right here. Nicely designed, really easy to press. The finish of this Harris is just really well done. You have a nice rubberized steering wheel, 3-spoke design. Gives you lots of grip as a driver, so you're gonna feel nice and locked in. Your throttle is off to your right. Your trim switch is right here. Everything is very nice. It's just in the right position, so you feel comfortable. Again, you have this nice this high back captain's chair, so you have lots of support, especially for somebody that is taller. And as we make our way here to the rear of the boat, you'll notice just this nice L-shaped seating, so you can have a lot of people in this area that are all facing each other and talking to each other, so it just feels like a small little community on the water, which is fun, very family friendly. You'll have a lot of cup holders with USBs. Buy those cup holders so you can stay connected to your phone, which is great, especially on a long day on the water. Your phones will at some point run out of battery. You want to stay connected. As we make our way to the rear of this boat, you'll notice all the space back here. You can sit back here while the boat is moving, as long as these fences are actually closed. So you unclip it like so, clip in right there, and as long as that one is hooked up and the other one is hooked up, you can sit back here while the boat is moving, which is cool. Again, for the young kids, they may enjoy that, to see the motor going and the waves being created back there. On the 230 Sunliner, you'll have a lot of storage back here, really deep, and just a lot of space. And then on the left side, you're also going to have an integrated cooler which is right there. So really nice feature. You put your ice in there, put your drinks, and you know, you can use it just like that for a long day on the water. Other than that, there's a lot more features, but I won't make this video too long. If you guys have any questions or need any assistance on this 230 Sunliner or any Harrises we have, give us a call here at MarineMax Rogers or come stop in and we'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.